Have you ever left your car parked for weeks, maybe months, thinking it'd be fine just sitting there? I get it, life gets busy and sometimes the car isn't a priority. But here's the deal. Letting your car sit unused can cause way more problems than you might expect. First up, the battery. Even when your car's off, systems like alarms and computers are still sipping power. Leave it long enough and you'll come back to a dead battery, sometimes in just a few weeks. Next, the tires. When a car doesn't move, tires develop flat spots because they're supporting all that weight in one position. Over time they lose pressure, dry out, and could even crack. Not great for your next drive. Fuel doesn't like to sit around either. Gasoline breaks down, leaves sticky deposits in your fuel system, and if you've got ethanol-blended fuel, it can actually pull moisture from the air. Hello, corrosion. Let's talk fluids. Engine oil, brake fluid, coolant, they all start to break down. Moisture can creep in, especially into your brake fluid, which could make braking less effective. Brakes themselves can get a little rusty if the car's left in one spot, especially in damp weather. Calipers might even seize up, so don't be surprised if you hear some nasty noises when you finally hit the brakes. Then there's nature. Rodents and insects love still cars, perfect spot to build a home, and they can chew through wires or insulation before you even notice. Rubber seals and gaskets. They dry out and crack, which means leaks when you finally get back on the road. And don't forget, the paint and interior sunlight can fade and crack everything, while moisture can create mold and mildew inside. So, how long is too long? Problems can start after just a few weeks, but after a few months you could be facing repairs you never saw coming. So if you're not using your car, at least give it a little love from time to time. Your wallet will thank you later.